Hello everyone, this is a demo for service provider side of using the My Appointment online scheduling service. Let's go to this website www.myappointment.com, and then you as a service provider use the login ID with the password. And once you log in, you see your monthly calendar, and on the left there is a ad blocks for this calendar. You use ad blocks to set up openings for your appointment. It could be a one-time appointment or it could be a recurring appointment. Here is for this sample block, there's on this sample calendar for Dr. John, who is a dentist. You need to enter the details. For the one time, you enter the start date and time and the ending date and time. You can set the appointment slot size to whatever time, 5, 10, 15, etc. Or it can also be unslotted, and also you can limit. For the unslotted one, you can limit the number of people. Let's try this. And then for the slotted one, per person you can limit the number of appointments he can make, and there are other parameters like scheduling opening, scheduling deadline, cancelling deadline. What this means is scheduling opening, there is a help available here. Says number of minutes prior to the start of the appointment that the block becomes available. Like you can have the blocks available a day before or 2 days before. And scheduling deadline is the number of minutes prior to the start of the block that the block becomes unavailable. And then there is a cancellation deadline, how long before a person can cancel an appointment. So it lets you specify in minutes prior to the start of the appointment that a person can no longer cancel the appointment. They have to call in person to cancel. Let me close this window. And then go to ad blocks again. And here I show you the recurring appointment type. And in the recurring block, you can set up how often your appointments will recur: weekly, daily, weekdays only, every other week, same day each month, same weekday of each month, etc. And then you specify the starting date, ending date, and also start time, end time. Start time, end time. And even for the recurring appointments, the slot sizes, maximum number of appointments per person, scheduling opening time, scheduling deadline when the block becomes unavailable, and cancellation deadlines, and it can also set notifications to block owner, calendar manager, then notifications, other reminders, etc. In the advanced options, I'm going to show you something. This appointments can be set to open, which means anyone public can view these appointments, or limited, anyone with a my-appt.com user ID is allowed. So these options set the privacy of the calendar. Anyone who logs in as guest can view the calendar page if they are set to open, and this is the most commonly used type for daily appointments. And then you send, and then you, after setting the parameters, you save the form so that your block is created the way you want it. This is the summary of adding blocks to your calendars, and also the service provider side of my appointment. Thank you.